Peanuts aren't nuts peanuts. We've all heard of them. Those crunchy, salty snacks we munch on during movies or toss into our favourite dishes. But did you know that despite their name, peanuts aren't actually nuts at all? That's right, these tasty treats belong to an entirely different family. In fact, peanuts are legumes, just like beans, lentils, and peas. But the story of how they grow, that's where things get really interesting. While most nuts grow on trees, peanuts take a completely different approach. Instead of growing on tall branches, peanuts grow underground. Yes, you heard that correctly. These little guys sprout from a flower, but instead of reaching up toward the sky, they bend down to bury themselves beneath the soil. It's as if they've decided to take the phrase, "keep your head down," a bit too literally. This unusual growing habit begins when the peanut plant flowers, and these flowers start to produce tiny stalks. These stalks, or pegs, push downward into the earth, carrying the fertilized flower with them. From here, the peanut begins to develop beneath the surface, hidden away from sight as it matures. It's nature's way of keeping things a little mysterious and a lot unique. The underground growth of peanuts is a fascinating adaptation. It's believed to be a protective mechanism, keeping the peanuts safe from predators that might be interested in nibbling on them before they're fully ripe. The soil acts as a shield, making the peanut hard to find until it's ready to be harvested. And when the time comes, farmers gently uproot the plants and dig up the peanuts, which have developed into pods beneath the ground. It's a small but extraordinary twist in the story of a simple snack. What we call peanuts are really pods encased in a thin shell that protects the seeds inside. So, the next time you grab a handful of peanuts, remember, these aren't just any nuts. They're legumes, and they have one of the most unique growing methods in the plant world. So, next time you're munching on a handful of peanuts, share this story with your friends. It's always fun to learn something new, and who knows, you might just impress someone with your newfound peanut knowledge. Help the channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing.